Hi everyone, today is Unit 6, Week 4, Day 5, and this is Friday, so this is our 5th day reviewing this material. So let's read this word, and then we're going to make a change to it, and it will be a new word. So 3, 2, 1, stream. Change the stir to skr, scream. Change the to screen. Change the get rid of the and change the skr to spur, spree. Change the spur to three. Change the e to oo, through. Change the oo to o, throw. I don't know how that happened. We'll just say, there we go. Okay, so this is word automaticity. We're going to be going faster this time because these are words we need to know. 3, 2, 1, street. 3, 2, 1, strong. 3, 2, 1, thrill. 3, 2, 1, spring. 3, 2, 1, shrink. 3, 2, 1, strike. 3, 2, 1, throne. 3, 2, 1, stripe. 3, 2, 1, scrub. 3, 2, 1, splash. 3, 2, 1, stream. 3, 2, 1, screen. 3, 2, 1, threat. 3, 2, 1, thread. 3, 2, 1, straw. 3, 2, 1, scratched. And that's in the past, ed. 3, 2, 1, scratching. Ing means it's happening right now. 3, 2, 1, strolled. Ed means it's in the past. Great job. 3, 2, 1, strolling. Ing means it's happening now. Good job. 3, 2, 1, throwing. Ing means it's happening now. 3, 2, 1, throbbed. Ed means it's in the past. 3, 2, 1, scrubbed. Ed means it's in the past. And last one for right now. 3, 2, 1, spraying. Ing is happening right now. Okay, let's look at some bling words. 6. She has 6 brothers in her family. 1. The one thing you should always do is be kind. 5. There are 5 days in a work week. 4. Cars have 4 wheels. 3. Did you know that he has 3 dogs? Okay, here is a story. A thrilling bird that hums. Here are some words we'll see. 2. It's do. Let me go down here. A thrilling bird that hums. Check the next 3 pages for splendid and thrilling facts. So remember, facts means it's real. It's fiction is fake, so non-fiction is real. So it's non-fiction. A hummingbird is a small bird. It can flap its wings wide and fast. It can zip, zip, zip. It flaps its wings fast and makes a fun hum, hum, hum. This bird has a splendid red neck. Its bill, splendid. Its bill is like a long straw. It pokes its bill inside flowers and gets food. It likes bugs too. 1 second. Excuse me. It will not go home until it gets its food. What is it? Oh, sorry. I didn't let you see the picture. So there it is. Okay. What is it? This is not a hummingbird. It is a nice moth. Do not confuse it. It will not scratch. Is this insect strange or thrilling? Is this insect splendid? It is a fake hummingbird. That makes it safe. Okay, so once again, we add will for the future, ed for the past, and ing for now. So scream becomes, if I'm doing it in the past, screamed, add the ed. If it's happening right now, it'd be ing, screaming. And if it's happening in the future, that's right, add will. Okay, let's do a few more. So we have split. Actually, this is a tricky one because you wouldn't say we splitted the log. We'd say we split the log. So you would not add ed to split. Yeah. But if you want to put ing, you add a t, ing, splitting. Yeah. And then if it's in the future, add will split. I will split the log. That means chop it. Okay, last one for this part, scrape. So if I want to make it in the past, I add ed. Now I wouldn't add an e here because it already has an e. So I just write d, scrape. Okay, now let's make it happening right now. Cross off the e, add ing, scraping. Now let's make it in the future. Oh, sorry guys. And what would that be? Will scrape. That's right. Will means it's in the future. Okay, these are our last words. These are our last 2 pages. So I'm going to read you a sentence, and I'm going to give you a couple seconds to think about how the pronouns I and me should be used. So here's our sentence. Oh, actually, I'm just going to let you think about that for a second. So let me give you a second. Okay, so I comes before the verb. So I dance, I jump, I skip. I wouldn't say me skip. Okay, me comes generally at the end, and the verb is first. He will dance with me. Dance with me. So dance is first. The verb is first. He will throw the ball at me. So throw, the verb, is first. So let's read this. I would like you to identify the pronouns. I would like Drew to go to lunch with me. So there are 2 pronouns here. They would be I and me. Now, you might be thinking, but what about Drew? Drew is a noun, but it's his name. So that would be a proper noun. It's not a pronoun. That's a proper noun. This is a pronoun, PN, just put a PR, pronoun, and this is a pronoun. Okay, let's talk about some more. Bella and I sat on the bench, or Bella and me sat on the bench. Well, first of all, where's the verb? What are they doing? They sat. This is my verb. So since the verb is later, we put I. Bella and I sat on the bench. Okay, let's look at this one. Jack handed his book to I. Jack handed his book to me. Okay, where's the verb? What's he doing? He's handing something. He handed something to her. So if the verb is first, you're going to use me, generally. Jack handed his book to me. The children asked I many questions. The children asked me many questions. So first of all, where's the verb? So what are they doing? What are the children doing? They're asking. That's a verb. And is the verb first? Yes. Then me is next. Okay, the children asked me many questions. Okay, last one. I hope my friend will play with I. Okay, this one's a little tricky. I hope my friend will play with I. I hope my friend will play with me. Me hope my friend will play with I. Me hope my friend will play with me. Okay, so first of all, what's my first verb? So blank hope my friend. Well, hope is something you want or you wish. So my verb, what I'm doing is you're hoping. So is the verb first? No, the verb's after. So we would say I. I hope my friend will play with I or with me. So what's my verb in this part of the sentence? It would be play. Will play, actually. It's in the future. So is the verb first? Yes. So then add me. Okay, I hope my friend will play with me. Okay, everyone, I hope that makes sense. Let me know if it doesn't, and I will be sure to help you.